Hey everyone, today we're diving into one of the biggest web design debates out there, WordPress and Webflow. Which one should you use to build your next website? Stick around, and by the end, you'll know exactly which tool fits your style. All right, let's start with WordPress. It's the OG of website builders, powering over 40% of the internet. It's open source, super flexible, and works great for blogs, business sites, or even e-commerce stores. But it does need plugins and sometimes a bit of tech know-how. Now Webflow, the newer kid on the block. It's a visual, no-code platform that lets designers create custom sites without touching code. You drag, drop, tweak, and boom, your site is live. It's perfect for creatives who want control over design and don't want to mess with hosting or updates. So, how do they stack up? Ease of use. Webflow wins for beginners who love visual design. WordPress can be tricky at first, especially with themes and plugins. Customization, WordPress takes this one. You can build anything with plugins and custom code. Webflow is flexible but has limits for advanced functionality. Speed and performance, Webflow sites are generally faster out of the box. With WordPress, you'll need good hosting and optimization plugins. Cost, WordPress can be cheaper, especially if you self-host. Webflow's plans are subscription-based but include hosting and security. Community and support, WordPress has a massive community and tons of tutorials. Webflow's community is smaller but growing fast with solid documentation. So, which one's better? If you're a designer or freelancer who wants a clean visual workflow, go with Webflow. If you're a developer, blogger, or business owner who needs deep customization and plugin freedom, WordPress is still your best bet. In short, Webflow for simplicity, WordPress for power. That's it for today's web design showdown. If this helped you decide, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech comparisons, and drop a comment. Which one are you using for your next project? See you in the next one.